Hello everyone, in this video I will explain to you how to use index, match and match combine these functions in MS Excel. So let's get started. First of all, the index function. The index function is used to return a value based on row number and column number. For example, in this table, you want to return the height of Salim. So you should specify the name, the row number and column number, so it will return the value to you. The match function return the position. It return the position, the match, but the index return the value. So let's first of all I will write an example per index, then per match, and then for both combine of them. Let's first of all first of all I will write here, for example, Salim. This is the name and also the height. We want, first of all I will use the index. So to find the height of Salim, so let's do it, equal to index, open it, first of all array. Select your data. After selecting the data, comma, then row number. Row number is first, second and third. Salim is on third row, right here, third. Then the column number, we want to find the height for Salim, that is first and second column, 2. And close it, press enter. So the height for Salim is 1.8. Check it. 1.8. We found that this was the height for the Salim. If we would like to find the position, for example, we want the position of Salim. So for that, first of all we will find the row number, then the column number. So to find the row number and column number, for that we will use match function. Let's use them here. Equal to match function. Open that. First of all, look up value. We want to look for the Salim. Position for this. In which row it existed. Comma, look up array. Then this is our array. Let's select this our array. Comma, match type 0 exact. Press enter. So this is on third row. Number of row is third. Salim is on third row. Now let's find the column. The column, the height for this. In which column it existed. So let's write equal to match. Open that. First of all, look up value height, comma, array. We will select this array up header, comma, 0. So 2, the height is existed on second column. So it is how we can use index and match. Now let's use both of them, combination of them. So for the combination, first of all I will delete them. Now let's use it. Equal to index. First of all, our array. First of all, I will select the whole data. After selecting that, comma, we want first of all to specify the column number, the row number. For the row number, we will use match function. Match function, open that, look up value. We want to find for Salim, comma, lookup array. This is our lookup array. The name, comma, 0, close it, comma. Now we will use for the column number. For the column number, I will use match. Again, match. So our lookup value is height, comma, lookup array is, this is our lookup array, the first header, comma, 0, close it and close the index, press enter. See, 1.8. We found the height for Salim, 1.8. Let's change this name. For example, Jamal. So for the Jamal, the height is 1.65. If you would like to find the weight for it, just write here weight. See, weight is 70. So it is how we can use the index and match function, the combination of them. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.